Hey there, so what I have here is a desk setup. I didn't want to get rid of this desk because I think it looks beautiful. So what we have here is I have a couple of products that I have taken to test. I have taken these products and I tested them out. And two things didn't, so I had to swap out LEDs. So I got LEDs, power strip, new mouse because the one I have is small and $1. So LEDs, I'll put ones that I recommend in the description below. I definitely will not put these ones down below. But I had to buy an actual controller and crap. Then I got a power ad, has 2 USBs and 5 ports, and it's on and off. And this one is bigger than I expected with a big power cable. And I got a mouse that I think takes one double A with its own 5 gigahertz thingy or 2.4, whatever one it uses. From Eastern Times Tech. And then I got some cable clip organizers to keep some cables up on my desk. So let's just get into building this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to do a tiny bit of a walkthrough because I just want to show what it looks like now. So basically, here's what it looks like now. So I have, of course, this over here because this is just a coaster. It is fully, I'm gonna have to do a little Windexing here while I pull everything off, but it is fully this is real leather and a wood, and then it has some drawers here, and on the other side the same style, and then over here is with this drawer, and I have my tech over here, so I have the iPad. Then behind that I have another lens. I have a monitor that I'm reusing. I bought that. That video can be linked below too. I'm using an original Apple keyboard from like 2000s. Power ad wireless charger. I will link all these products down below, and I will literally say revamp your whole setup or whatever. That's a phone stand. That is an external hard drive. It's 1 terabyte. That is my Amazon Echo Dot. And then this is a mouse pad. Amazon, stop. And then these headphones are here just because I didn't have a chance to move them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to create a time lapse for all this, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have to remove everything from the desk. And all of this is powered by a new late 2017 iMac, MacBook Pro, the most expensive you can buy in the store. So let's get on with actually removing everything from the desk. Okay, so now that we have removed everything from the desk, as you can see, except for the mouse mat, so what I am going to do now is I'm going to have to install, as far as I think, the power strip first. So we're going to have to head to the back of the desk. We're going to have to pull out the desk and head to the back of the desk and install that. I don't know how bad anything is back there. Cables aren't too bad, but it may look a little bad right now. So lots of tape. Lots and lots of tape, which I may have to get more of, actually, to bring in here. But the first thing we're going to start with is this. I'm going to see where to attach this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to actually have to grab some tape to stick this down with. So I just got some tape. Why is my this backwards again? Should have made it forwards. Yeah, that's my mic. But I mean, I got some tape, so now what I'm gonna do is we'll head back here and we'll see some of this destruction. So what we're gonna do is just gonna pull this sideways like this, and I am going to face you. Yes, I have a PC back here too because, well, it's an old one that I don't want to get rid of. So I don't know where I'm going to place this down here. I may just be down over here because that's the best, I feel, best place to place it. But I have to see how long the power cable is. I'll move it. So let's see how big the power cable is. Hopefully it stretches all the way. So everything's in my way. I'll be back once I figure out where to put it. Remember, this is where everything's going to be plugging in. So basically, this is where I decided to put it on the leg. So now that it's on the leg over here, I believe I can now string some LEDs up over here. So for that, I'm going to need this LED strip, and I'm also going to need the power converter thingy mabobber, who's gonna call it, that can control this. And that's this whole contraption here. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just unravel the LEDs. So it's verified that it works. Now I just need to go and tape this part down right over here. So apparently it's blurry. Focus. Why can't you focus correctly? What's wrong with this lens? There we go. Now focus over here. There, focused. Now for some zip tie action.